Today, I'm going to show you how to delete your Turbotax account. Whether you're switching to a different tax service or simply no longer need your account, this process will help you permanently remove your Turbotax account from Intuit's system. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to open your Turbotax app. You can do this by launching your browser and heading to turbotax.intuit.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you have your login credentials ready, as you'll need them to access your account settings. After your account has loaded and you're on the main dashboard, we can begin the deletion process. Look over to your left navigation menu and click on Intuit Account. This is an important step because your Turbotax account is actually part of your broader Intuit account ecosystem. When you click this, a new browser window will open. At this point, Intuit wants to verify it's really you trying to make changes, so you'll be prompted to enter your password again or receive a one-time password through email or phone to confirm your identity. This security measure protects your account from unauthorized access, so take a moment to complete this verification step. Once you've successfully passed the verification, you'll be directed to your Intuit account dashboard. This is the central hub for managing all aspects of your Intuit services. From here, we'll navigate to the specific section where you can delete your Turbotax account. Look at the left navigation menu again and click on Data and Privacy. This section contains all the controls related to your personal information and account management. Now, under the Data and Privacy section, you'll see the Delete option. Go ahead and click on it. When you do, you'll be prompted to select the reason for your Turbotax account deletion. Intuit provides several options here, so take a moment to select whichever reason best fits your situation. This feedback helps them understand why users choose to leave their service. After selecting your reason, you'll be prompted to enter your password one more time to confirm this action. This final verification ensures that you truly want to proceed with permanently deleting your account. Enter your password carefully and proceed with the deletion. Keep in mind that once this process is complete, your account and all associated data will be permanently removed. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Turbotax account from Intuit's system. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.